Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
When we're in these extreme heat summers and then we get the rain, that drastic change in roofing temperature to the material itself, going from very hot and pliable to cooling off drastically with rain, that right there can create a lot of the start of the leak.
Yes, that definitely can. And even like when we do like whether it's a tile roof or we even do a shingle roof, when it comes to like the materials, a lot of times we'll try to load it like a few days before, because the felt can be sat up there and then it can actually get pushed in and be indented, and then we can't use it because it's in a box, and then the box gets squished in and then the felt's damaged. So we try to stay on top of that as well. So whenever we do a job for homeowners, we'll actually go out there and do a pre-site check and make sure that all the materials are there and they're in good condition. Just because we get them sent from a supplier, you don't know sometimes what they're going to get. It's been on a truck, it's been transported, so we want to make sure that we're installing quality materials as well.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona home.